Welcome! If you want to install and download Keys Cafe, the best keyboard theme for the Samsung devices, at the first you have to enter for your browser. Then tap on the search pool and type Keys Cafe APK. And we have to find version 1.25. This one. It's from the Keys Cafe update, so let's get it. Click here. Click allow, and then we have to click here to download. After a few seconds we have to turn off ad that will pop on our screen. Click OK. Right now we can open. Click on the settings, tap on the switcher, then go back and click install. Let's click open. Right now we have to click right here. And then just click close window, tap install, and click OK, tap allow, go for the settings, and of course we have to allow install apps from the source, go back, click install. And right now we can go for our menu when we can find the Keys Cafe app, so let's enter. Tap on these two switchers and then click here to style our keyboard. Let's go for the effects, and as you can see, right now we can customize and set up our best effects. I'm going for this one, and right now when you go back and go right here, we can enjoy this beautiful wall keyboard theme on our S21. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!